everybody, so this is a quick impromptu makeup tutorial, okay? And the eyebrows, we're going to start with the eyebrows. I did off camera the eyebrow kit because it takes me give or take 15-20 minutes, probably less than that now, because I don't be doing so much because I just hurry up and do it, and that's about it. So yeah, and this is the Photo Focus eyeshadow primer that I put on prior to putting on my eyeshadow so it could adhere and stay for the whole day. And I love this eyeshadow primer. I always brag about it all the time. I always talk about it. I love this. Wet n Wild, if you take this away, I will be so mad. I will cry. Seriously. But that's basically about that. I don't want to talk through the whole video, but it may seem like that because when I did record this before, I had to record over again because of technical difficulties, or not technical difficulties, a lot, because of other stuff going on. But anyway, I digress. Box of crayons. It's the eyeshadow palette. This is from a black owner, okay? I know, I believe it's from Super Scent, okay? I will be using these two colors, I believe, okay? And I will apply to my eyelids. And sorry about chewing gum, y'all can't hear it, but y'all see my mouth moving. I didn't realize that because I didn't think I was going to put this video up, but I was like, you know what, I'll put it up, and with encouragement I decided to put it up as well. So yeah, because it's like, it's a video, I recorded it, and I need to be consistent, and that's the I'm sorry, I can't talk back, and that is the word of the year, consistency, okay? So that's basically it about that, all right? Because you know we got 1 million subscribers, right? Okay, just wanted y'all to know that, all right? Anyway, so I am going to apply this in the crease, okay? You guys know I have hooded eyelids, and I am using a less denser brush to get all in the crevices, and then I will use a fluffier brush to blend. And blend is your friend. Blend till your arms fall off. I say that all the time. You have to do that because you want everything to look cohesively together. If not, then you're going to look like the mask. Okay, I always say that. Line of demarcations everywhere. We don't want to do that, okay? You look like a clown. But hey, if that's the look you're going for, I'm not even going to judge right now because that's just what it is. Sounds like I'm being judgy, but sorry. Hey, do you, boo, okay? But me, I don't want to do that, okay? You want to look at least halfway decent, okay? If you're gonna do the eyeshadow, you have to blend, okay? I know it's very tedious, but that's just what it is. If not, don't wear eyeshadow, okay? I'm basically about that. But anyway, I'm sorry, y'all, but anyway, you know. But okay, oh, here we go. 3503 Fierce by Nature Morphe, okay? Y'all know what happened to Morphe. Morphe is no more. So yeah, if y'all know the story, you could definitely look it up or look at my video. I did talk about it on one of my get ready with me's, and but I have it, I purchased it, so I'm going to use it until it's gone. And then I have other things that I have as well, so it's like I have mad palettes. If you haven't seen my palette video, I have over 20 palettes, so eyeshadow palettes. So yeah. I mean, okay, but anyway, so yeah, so I could buy other ones like Juvia's Place. I have Juvia's Place. I have a lot of other eyeshadow palettes. As you can see, I just showed one prior to that one. So yeah, so this is how I do it. I'm going to blend every time I apply an eyeshadow. You know, I always blend because that's what you have to do, because you don't want the line of demarcation. You want everything to cohesively go together. That's just basically about that. I'm tired of stressing it. Not tired of stressing it. I have to stress it. I know you're tired of me stressing it. Okay, that's about it. But yeah, so again, I don't want to talk through this whole video, but it seems like I'm going to, because I just want to give you some commentary on it. Okay, that's just basically about that. All right, I recorded this video about I think like 2 weeks ago, so this is fairly old. As you guys can see, my hair was I just finished twisting my hair, so I did a retwist and talk as well, so you can check that out, okay? And all of the items that I talk about in this video is going to be in the description bar below, so you guys can see where to check them out at. Okay, so this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. All right, so yeah, so this is my infamous wing. I love to have a nice sharp wing. On this video, it came out pretty decent. I could have done better, but you know, hey, que sera. But it's all right. So I really concentrate on this part. This takes me a long time. I would say about like maybe 5 minutes on each eye probably, because I'm trying to perfect each eye to wing to look the same, because you don't want one wing looking down, the other one looking sad, you know, stuff like that. So you want it to look like you know, sisters and not distant cousins. I say the same thing like with eyebrows. You know, you don't want it to look totally different. Sometimes my wings don't match. You can't really tell, but I'm very anal, so I could tell, but it's just like I don't feel like, you know, doing it all over again, but as long as it's not too noticeable to where it's just like, okay, that is totally off, please redo that over. Okay, so yeah, so I've been using this eyeliner from Wet n Wild for a long time. I love it. Again, Wet n Wild, please do not, you know, do not take this off the shelf. Okay, and you're raising your prices, everybody's raising their prices, and it's like, you know, I don't wear makeup every day, but at the same time, I still buy it. So it's like, yeah, I want us to buy your makeup. You know, things are going up, you know, food, eggs, like, come on, like, I digress. But anyway, so yeah, so because sometimes you just want to play in makeup and stuff like that if you like makeup, even if it's just a little bit, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's just basically about that. Because some people like to down makeup and want to say, oh, people using too much. That's you. Okay? Hello? Okay? If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. I just do this for me, and then I show you guys how I do it, you know, because you don't have to do it like this. You could use no moisturizer, you could use no concealer, or just concealer. You know, everybody has their own thing that they want to do, you know, so that's basically about that. What else did I say I was chewing gum? Excuse me for that. But okay, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Face Studio Primer, okay, prior to putting on, so the moisturizer, I'm gonna put in a tinted moisturizer so it could adhere better and stay on longer. I'm not wearing foundation as much because I'm getting older. If you guys know, I'm turning 40 this July, so it's like I want to pay more close attention to my skin. I'm using the full spectrum CoverGirl concealer, but I want to pay more closer attention to my skin because, you know, because I do have mild eczema, I do have dry skin, I'm getting older, and also internally as well. So that's just basically about that. Not saying anything is wrong with foundation, because I'm not going to stop using it, because I do still have foundation, but I won't use as much of it. So using a tinted moisturizer is just less, you know, harsh on the face and things of that sort. So that's basically about that. Not letting go of the foundation, just, you know, using something, you know, less harsher. This is the tinted moisturizer by Maybelline Fit Me. All right, and I'm using this, and I'm applying it on here like this, and I'm not using as much, just enough to, you know, make everything, you know, come together. And you have to blend as your friend, because you definitely don't want to like the mask right here. You want to blend all the way down and make everything come together, because sometimes people be looking crazy, but it's okay. You know, I mean, maybe that's what they're going for. Okay, if you want to go for the mask look, then that's what it is. Okay, it's okay, boo. Okay. Okay. But what works for me may not work for you, and vice versa. Okay, I always say that as well, and that's basically it about that. Sorry for talking too fast. If you guys don't know, I do talk fast, so if you can't keep up, I don't know what to tell you. And if you don't like it, please press the X and keep it moving. Okay, that's all I gotta say about that. That's basically it about that. Okay. All right, so yeah, so we're applying this and things of that sort. So blend is your friend. Okay, blending is very essential in makeup. Okay, please keep note of that. Blend till your arms fall off. Okay, all right, so what am I doing here? Okay, I'm getting everything, because you want everything to be cohesively together. All right, so yeah, all right, so we're going to use the concealer again. Okay, and then after that we're going to bake. Okay, I don't bake that long. I thought I baked a little bit, but I didn't bake that long. I don't like baking because I was trying to hurry up as well and do these videos, so I didn't really bake, so I just put it on so it could set and stuff like that. And this helps with the creasing, because I do get creasing under my eyes or what have you, so it definitely helps with having less creasing. Okay, so that's why I apply it, because I don't want to be looking like I've been crying all day or whatever. So that's why I do that, and it definitely helps when I do this technique. Okay, what works for me may not work for you, vice versa. All right, so Morphe again. Okay, y'all. Oh well, you know, I'm basically saying, oh well, I'm gonna use it. Okay, this is the loose setting powder that I'm gonna put under my eyes. I will be using Ben Nye again. Ben Nye the Science Guy. I was done with it. It was finished. So I have to purchase another one, but offline. I don't know if they sell it on the ground. I have to look more into that, but that's what I will be looking into. So I'll probably order it next week or something like that, so I can have it by the time I do another video. Not sure if I'll be recording videos this week, but yeah, so when this Morphe run out, that's what I will turn to. I have other loose powders, but that was the best one that I've had in a long time. It was the Topaz one, the color Topaz. So yeah. Alright, so this is the compact powder bronze glow, just to set everything in. And I really recommend and encourage this, especially if you're using a tinted moisturizer, because the tinted moisturizer can run off your face. It won't last as long as a foundation. So applying just a little bit of this or what have you will just make it stay a little bit longer, you know, because if you don't do that, then it will run off your face. All right, this is the blush, the Warm Berry blush by Black Radiance. Okay, I applied that on there as well. I wasn't really a blush girl when I first started. Oh, this is a CoverGirl highlighter. Got that glow, the feeling. They got the glue and they got the okay, I gotta sing that every time. But anyway, so I wasn't really a blush girl because I thought it wasn't gonna look right on me. But yeah, as long as you don't use too much. Well, for me, I don't like to use as much, but yeah, so I had to hit the Cupid's bow with that. But yeah, so I do like blush. Okay, so now I like blush. Okay, so we're gonna use a lip chat. As I said, lip chat. This is Vaseline Lip Therapy Rose. I think it's called Rose something, I don't know, but yeah, so I use that because I will be applying some dry lippy at that. All right, so this is the Super Flex hold for your eyelashes. Now let me tell you, okay, this don't be holding. Okay, it holds throughout the day for me, okay, because I could go out with this and stuff like that, but at night I definitely take it off real quick. Okay, and it don't take long for me to take it off. I just pull them off and that's it. My eyelashes are still here. So you know, people are like, oh my goodness, you take them off, da, da, da. And this is Kiss. I love Kiss products, okay, or Ardell, it doesn't matter, but mostly Kiss. And yeah, so I'm gonna use the Plush Mega Plush eyeliner. I love it's made by Maybelline. Okay, this could have been a whole Maybelline video, but I did use some Black Radiance, so yeah, but mostly Maybelline is pretty good and affordable right now at the moment, or was, because you know it went up because of stuff going up. So whatever, like, stop going up, y'all, please. Okay, please. Okay, but anyway, and my eyelash on the other side looked crazy, but I did fix it after when I started doing my videos. This is the Maybelline Superstay. So this is very matte. Okay, so that's why I apply my lip chap. I always apply my lip chap prior to putting on my lippy anyway, just to moisturize it, even if it's like a little moisturizing or whatever. But I love matte lippies, or semi-matte, or satin. So most of the time I'm using my lip chap or what have you, but I think I use my lip chap all the time. Even if it's glossy, I still use it. So that's basically about that. So yeah, I just make sure that everything is lined up, and it looks like I kind of outline my lips, but not really, because of the way I put on my tinted moisturizer. I remember somebody asked me that before, but no, it's just the way I put on my my moisturizer or foundation. Okay, so that's basically about that. And also blot when you are finished, okay, because you don't want people to, oh, you got lipstick on your teeth. No, you're not going to tell me that, because I'm going to make sure I blot and blot again, just to make sure, because ain't nobody about to tell me that I got lipstick on my teeth. Okay, all right, let me be the judge of that. Okay, but that's about it. Okay, you guys, I am done. I did talk through the whole video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and staying with me today. I will do more videos like this. If you want more videos, please let me know. This was an impromptu video. I wasn't gonna put this out, but I was like, I recorded it, let me put it out, and plus with some encouragement, I also put it out. Oh, here we go, the CoverGirl, I think it's Fit Me, or not Fit Me, CoverGirl something fitness. I don't know, it's good for if you sweat or whatever. I don't sweat as much, so, but it's good, you know, it's something CoverGirl Active. Everything's gonna be down in the description bar below. If I forget, you could definitely remind me, and I love the reminders, so I will definitely put it, because it's a lot of products. So there's a lot of products. I'm gonna put the links as well. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful, blessed day, blessed night when you're watching this. Thank you so much for watching. If any questions comes up, our kids, I mean, I see something that you want to comment. Thank you for watching. Peace, bye, be safe, and the word of the year is consistency. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Hit the like.